We live in a mobile world. When you have questions, you use your smartphone to get immediate answers. The same is true when you have important financial questions. Your personal financial mobile website provides you with anywhere access to view your most up-to-date account balances all on one page. See what you're spending and what you're spending it on. Track your progress towards savings goals. Get updated on your investments and holding details. And access important financial and personal documents. So no matter where you go, answers to your important financial questions are always accessible. You can even use our bookmark icon for quick access to your personal financial mobile website right from your smartphone's launchpad. Whether it's in person, by phone, online, or on the go, we're here to help. Give us a call to learn more about our mobile services.